Oh, no. Is that rain? I can't believe it's really raining.
Come on, Suki. We can still make the delivery before it really starts to pour. Look, it's Hazel and Axel.
Hey, Suki. Hey, Tibor. Nice hair.
Why, thank you. I think it really suits me.
Did you just get here? We thought you'd be way ahead of us.
We got a little stuck on the way, but we made it. Right, Suki?
Yep, we made it. Just in time for the rain. I really thought everything would be perfect today. But I made a mucky mess of the package, and now it's gonna get wet, too.
Actually, you get to deliver a nice dry package.
You guys are the best! Come on, Pikwik Pack. Let's go deliver this package.